Yo. All right, kid. All right, baby. Bye, beautiful. Gorgeous. I like the sneakers, too.
I love her sneakers. And your hair's so pretty. You know, we're trying to meet with different people and see how we can help them.
Right.
Because like I said, we're small, so we don't have a place where we can rescue dogs and all that. So the way we can do it is to help those that are doing that. That's our goal right now. And so the way we do that is by having these events and meeting people and talking to them with what they're doing in their groups and how we can help them to be successful in what they're doing.
Hey, can I have one?
Oh yeah.
She's beautiful. How old is she?
She's 4. Cute. Oh, look at the puppy. I started up a Instagram page called Must Love Bullies, and basically it was just to feature pit bulls and the light that they're supposed to be shown in, positive light, and I also feature a whole bunch of adoptables and pit bulls and other animals that need donations, whether it be for cancer or they need some type of surgery, they broke their leg, anything, networking does save lives. So that's the main reason why I set that up. And then I also have my own apparel called Misfit Bully Apparel, and basically I started that, so all the donations from there, once you purchase it, all the donations go to different rescue shelters. That is just here's your ball. I love you.